Hey everybody, I'm Mrs. Bodashan and it is Teacher Appreciation Week. I'm going to share with you really fast the top 5 things teachers want to get as a gift from you all. So we're going to start with number 5, which in my opinion is amazing. Look at this bag that you can get. It is very large in size, great beach bag, or just a tote to bring anywhere, and you can customize it with the first letter of their last name. All of the items today, you guys, are from Amazon Prime, so they can make it here either overnight or in 2 days' time, so you have plenty of time to get these. Let's look at number 4. Number 4 is this really trendy, and y'all know these are really trendy right now, in these glass cups, and they have the cute little top and the straw, and it has cute little sayings on them, so go ahead and check those out. Number 3 comes in with Burt's Bees. All teachers love Burt's Bees. This one is a hand pair kit. And you guys, we wash our hands so frequently and so often, especially with hand sanitizer. Our hands are constantly getting dried out. This is going to be a great item. Coming in at number 2, you can see that I've chosen a card, but not just any card. This card is a pop-up card that looks like a beautiful flower arrangement. So check these out. They come in lots of different patterns and designs, but this one was definitely my favorite choice. And then number 1, you guys, is our classic and probably the most wanted by all teachers is the Amazon gift card. You can make it for whatever price you want. You can give it to them and they can buy whatever it is they want. And I promise you they're going to love it. All of these items today were under $20 and they were all Amazon Prime. I went ahead and I put all of the Amazon links in my description below. So think a teacher, you guys. Have a great day. Bye, everybody.